What's going on, guys? KRS back with another video. Today in this video we are going to cover WTU22, which is the very great and coming with the great episodes and great news. The first news is by the Dell. Now Dell has announced that in XPS 15 and in XPS 17 it is updatable to the generation 12. Now you can easily update it the 12th generation, and the price over there will be $1,450. If we convert into rupees, it is 1,10,000 more than that, which is a great thing for the 12th generation. And in X15 you can have around 150, or maybe we can say 1,40,000 if we convert it to rupees. So great news by the Dell thing. If you have this laptop or this desktop, you can easily update to the premium one, which is a very great thing. If you are interested in the LG TV, they are available. The starting price over the all the category will be $1,500. As you can see the list over here, which is the very great thing, and availability will be around the March, April, and June thing. As per the list shown over the screen, you can see the all things and have the best if you like. Talking about the 8K thing, there are two models available, which is the 77-inch and 88-inch. Talking about the 77-inch, it is available in $12,000, which is quite expensive. And if you are going to the 88-inch, it is doubling the price, which is $25,000, which is the very expensive thing by the LG. But if you want the premium one and 8K features, it is available, and it will be available very soon, which is the April, which is very near. Talking about the two laptops which are upcoming by the LG Gram series, which is 16 and 17. Talking about the specification over here, the base two things is inside this laptop, which is the 12th generation, and you will get the RTX 2050, which is the great thing. 20 series graphic card is now also a very powerful. As we all know, 3 has come, but 2 is also in the great as itself. Talking about the pricing, it is a 1.43 lakhs if we convert to the original LG, and another is 1.49 lakhs, which is expensive 16 and 17 one. Talking about the Xbox, the pass of the Xbox is available only $1 for the PC and the Xbox gamers also. This deal will be available for only the 31st March. So if you have the Xbox, you can just buy the $1 pass and grab the unlimited King gaming over your Xbox. The certain features will be included, and the limited will be only for the 1 month. So if you are included and having the Xbox and excited about gaming, you should check it out this. And the another news is also by the Xbox. The Xbox Series S Sonic Limited Edition has been announced with the fluffy controllers. Dynabook latest tracker laptop has been announced, which is of the 12th generation Intel series, and divided into two categories, which is the A40K and A50K. Next news is about the Sony. We all know the refresh rate nowadays has become need of each gamers. So Sony is bringing the refresh rate in their PS5, which is the great news, and the upcoming update of the PS5 series. If you are interested in Sony QD OLED TV, they have announced two, which is of 55 and 65 inches. Talking about the 55 inches, you will get the price of the $3,000, and for the 65 it is $4,000. So quite expensive, but if you are interested, we can surely check it. We all know the cameras of the Sony. So now they are testing their 50 megapixel camera with 1.1 inch sensor, which became a lot popular in their Xperia series. So it has been tested by the Sony, and it will be very exciting. How are the quality? Talking about the Realme GT Neo 3 will come with the Sony IMX766 sensor, which has the optical image stabilization. And talking about the Neo 2 coming soon in India. Talking about the launching date will be Dell is April 7, as this phone is launched globally and will be very coming soon in India. The rumors suggest that it will be of 7 April. Talking about the news of the Samsung wrapped around display has been seen in the image and looks very beautiful. And it will be the foldable thing or maybe a common phone. Let's check it out in the some of the later leaks. Talking about the another news is by also Samsung. They have designed the UD solution for the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro series and for their Z Fold 5 also. Talking about the Samsung TVs, there are two TV announced by the Samsung, which is 55 inch and 65 inches. The name is told by the S95B QD OLED TV, which is priced around $2,200 and 3,000. If you have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series, there are interesting news. The One UI 4.1 has been published for this phone, so if you have this phone you can update it. And the another news is by the M53 5G series by the Samsung. It will not come with the charger and running Android 12 out of the box with Dimensity 900. S22 1 TB variant has been leaked up and the price are telling is 1,35,000, which is very expensive. Means 12 GB RAM and 1 TB storage will be excellent for the heavy users. M33 is also be coming up very soon. It is a 5G phone and the processor over here is a little bit of new, which is 1280 Exynos thing, and you will get the 120 hertz LCD display, which is of 6 inches. Talking about the last news by the Samsung is about they are working on the triple folding phone, means three layers folding thing, which will be the excellent thing. Talking about the next news is by Redmi. The K50 series has launched in the China and the craze over there is excellent. In just 5 minutes, 330 pieces were sold. It's a very great thing. And talking about the another news is by Redmi itself. 11E will be rebranded of the Redmi 10 Pro Plus, and the price will be around 15,000, under 15,000 as told in the leaks, and it is a 5G phone. Talking about the Vivo, the first look of the tablet of the Vivo is very excellent with the accessories and looks very stylish also. The another news is by their X80 series and many more series. There are some of the leaks and images as you can see in the screen. Looks very unique and stylish. Next is by the news of the Apple. In the 14 Pro series, the all the structure and all the design pattern has been listed as you can see in the screen. Each of the thing size has been tell very detailedly in this structure or we can say prototype. And in 15.4 version of iOS, many of the users are having a battery drainage issue, which is the very not a great thing by the Apple. But the 13 Pro Max and 11 series has complained a lot for the battery drain thing. Upcoming or we can say launched iPad at 2022 has also issued. Some of the users have reported cracking noise in the back when they are using that iPad. So if you have just go to the service center, maybe you get some replacement or some great things. Talking about the another news is the downgrade or we can say downfall of the Apple TV or we can say whole system. There has seen many downfall in many certain things. Means the server was down as you can see in the screen. In iPhone 14 series there will be no mini available. In spite of that they are telling that in 14 there will be max available. So mini is removed and in spite of mini max will be available. Over the inches there is also a same thing, which is the 14 will come in a 6.6 inches only LED, and another will be the LED with LTPO pattern. Talking about the another news is by the Mac Pro will not be available in this time, means the M2 series will be delayed and 14 and 16 inch model of the MacBook series will be not announced in this year, means it will be coming to the next year, which is 2023. and the another is by the Watch series, Apple Watch Series 3. It will be not updating to the Watch OS 9, and it will be discontinued this time by the Apple. Talking about the iPhone 15, which will come in late 2023, is telling that it will have the under display camera with the support of the Face ID. It is a very great news because Face ID has a lot of sensors to make it very accurate, and in the under display it will be the first time having a lot of sensors in under display things. So great news by the Apple. And another news is coming for the 2023 year. In the spring, they will announce the 15-inch of Mac and 13.3-inch of Macbook. Next news is by the Lenovo ThinkBook 14 Plus and 16 Plus has been announced, and the specs over is coming with the Intel 12, and the processor is 12 as I told you, and the graphics card is RTX 2050, and the price is under 60,000 as converted to the Chinese currency, which is a great price. And Lenovo has confirmed that the upcoming flagship of series of their phone will be foldable. Talking about the OnePlus 8 series has the update of 12 Android in North America side. So if you are using, you can update to Android 12, and the July 3 will be the event of the OnePlus Nord. OnePlus Nord will be coming in that there will be a watch which is named as the OnePlus Nord watch, and it will be under 10,000, which is a premium price tag for any smartwatch. We all know about the Asus Flip 14-inch OLED, which has the 2.8K display, and I have explained this all the certain things in the Asus video. You can surely check it out. The price is coming under 1 lakh, which is the great, having the powerful Ryzen 9 series inside it. Motorola H30 has been spotted in the Geekbench, and many are telling that it has the latest processor, which is the 778 plus 5G, which has the boosting thing of 778, and looks very great. What will be the price and the specs will be very interesting to see. The another is by the Moto G 2022. The prices are 12 under the 25,000. Let us see what will be the specs. Among their Motorola 125-watt fast charger has been spotted. So there are many chances that in future Motorola will also remove the charger from the box. Honor Magic X14 is coming in India, which will available very soon in April 6 on Amazon. The specs over here is of two category, i3 and i5. i3 is under 40,000 and i5 is under 50,000, which is little bit expensive. Not a great coming with the 10th generation, we can say. Not a little confirmed, but I think it will be of 10th generation thing, not very powerful yet. Potronics is coming some of the premium things. Their 2600 mAh portable wireless has been seen on it, and is coming with the price tag of 9,000, which is the premium price tag for any Potronics. Xiaomi 12 Lite 5G is expected to come with the processor 778 plus, and Xiaomi 12 Ultra will come with only 3 camera. As we see in the image, there are many camera, but only 3 camera has been announced now. What will be the other camera, what will be the use, has no told over here. Talking about the Poco X4 Pro 5G will be launched very soon with the 64 megapixel of quad camera over here. Infinix Smart 6 and Hot 11 2022 series will be coming 10,000 for the 11, and for the 6 it will be the under 11,000, which is very great thing. Talking about the 11, it is powered by the G70, and not much details of the another phone. Nvidia H100 chip has been announced for the supercomputer, and it is said to be the very powerful chip for the supercomputers. So very impactful thing by the Nvidia. Nothing has announced the phone, which looks very promising, and it will be coming in the Q3 with their own Nothing operating system, means Nothing OS. As Oxygen OS, Nothing OS will be also announced, which will be the unique and more designing, more powerful as told in in the event. This is not a great news by the Huawei Mate X3 series. The phone is coming with the Kirin 9000, which is the great processor for myself. I like this processor very much, but they have announced this thing in the 4G thing, which is the not a promising thing by the Huawei, and the OS will be of the Harmony. Talking about the Black Shark and Aerospace joined their hands and they will launch the rebranded version of the Black Shark series. So this was all the wonderful news. You like this video, to subscribe the thing and press the bell notification to also never miss any other updates. Also, there are great deals. You can check it out in the description. Many fantastic and many unrealistic deals. Maybe you are interested, you can buy from that. Coming soon with another video.